The raw material for producing screw caps is pre-cut sheet metal. The first step, stretching and trimming, requires a deep throat punch press paired with a sheet metal feeder. The deep throat punch press is a 25-tune, 750mm deep throat model. The sheet metal feeder is a 900mm asterisk 700mm model. The sheet metal feeder performs motion in the X and Y directions. For each feeding action, the punch press performs one punch. Key two machines work together to achieve automatic punching. The equipment also features automatic sheet lubrication, automatic feeding, and automatic waste collect. The stamped caps are blown into a screening machine by an air blower to filter out the trimmed waste edges, and the finished products are collected in a box. The second step, edge rolling, consists of a cap lifting machine and an edge rolling punch press. The lifting machine aligns the stretched bottle caps from the first step and feeds them one by one into the punch press's turntable in a fixed direction. The turntable then feeds them into the stamping die, roll one cap edge at a time. The entire line operates automatically. The third step, knurling, consists of a conveyor belt and a knurling machine. The conveyor belt aligns the bottle caps and feeds them into the knurling machine in a fixed direction and sequence. The knurling machine rolls the required screws onto the bottle caps and sends them into a collection box.